Good morning, student. I am Vivek here with you. Again, my amazing and simplest subject math, practice set 90 and standard 7. Open your books and see on page number 29. There is practice set 19, and they tells us one sentence, and according to that sentence, we draw a figure. So, some examples I have taken here. That is very short example. First example is that the question is that first of all, draw a pairs of angle as directed below. If that is not possible, say why. So answer is that according to this sentence we draw a pair of angle, means two angles we must have drawn. First sentence is said that complementary angle not adjacent. At the complementary angle means two angles having their sum is equal to 90. So this we can draw here. Suppose this angle is and name that angle P Q R. This angle is 40. So we know the sum or addition of the complementary angle is 90. So we have drawn another angle having, who will tell me the measurement of another angle of complementary is here. Both angle having their sum is equal to 90 and both angle are complementary. So one angle is 40. So another angle is 90 minus 40. So it is 50. Now name this angle as you wish. So both angles, the angle PQR and angle ABC, addition of their angle is 40 degree plus 50 degree is equal to 90 degree. Hence this question is solved in this way. So another question is that angles in a linear pair having not supplementary. We draw here figure of that angles in linear pair. We just seen before that the angles in linear pair, one arm is common and another arm is straight, is the definition of angles in linear pair. So not supplementary. So here is angle is supplementary. This figure is drawn not possible because angles in linear pair is must be supplementary. So this figure is not done here. So again we move toward third question. Third question is that complementary angles that do not form a linear pair. Complementary angle that don't have or form a linear pair. Complementary angle that don't have a linear pair. sorry, here is word is given wrong, so word is replaced by supplementary. Supplementary angle that don't have a linear pair. Supplementary angle, so we have drawn here supplementary angle means supplementary angles means those angle having their sum is equal to 180. So here is some, first of all we take this angle, angle PQR is, suppose this is 120 degree. So another angle is here again, angle ABC. So these two angles supplementary but not linear because they do not have a common arm, and uncommon arm is not a straight line here. So both are supplementary, so they are having their addition is equal to 180. So another arm is 180 minus 120 is equal to 60. So this now again addition of both the angle 120 plus 60 is equal to 180. So this is the figure that we have draw according to this statement, supplementary angle that don't have or form a linear pair. Thank you once again. Take care, love to all. If you